Hi.
So everybody knows about you, Pushpa ma'am,
Okay.
and I'm honored that I've done your house. But what do you think?
Chaya, first of all, home is a very personal space and a personal experience. Doing your home is one of those projects which you do, which is very close to your heart. So for me to choose the right person who vibes with me was very important. And I first met you, I really vibed with you. You understood that sentiment,
Yeah.
and your choice of fabric, your choice of interior finishes, all of them gelled with mine. And so it was wonderful. It's really nice. We took around 4 months. It was really nice working with you.
Oh yeah, it
Truly
was
fun.
it was fun working with you because you were so open to all the suggestions, and that's what I think a designer needs, just some space to work on. And I really got my space when I was working with you, especially on all the elements wherein there were few elements which were kind of very different, never done before.
Yeah.
But then you gave me a freedom to work on those elements and it turned out great.
What I liked about working with you was you were also open when I kept giving you my suggestions, like the wallpaper, this, that, and you're very open to put it together to make it. A home cannot look like a plug and play project that you're walking in and it's like a hotel space. It has to be internally your own.
Oh
And
yeah.
I think that's what create, which is my home. I must mention this that I told you about my mother's requirement of a puja room,
Yeah.
and you went all out to give us a fantastic puja room. I can't tell you, you have her blessings because
Thank
she
you.
loves spending time there
Oh, I love her.
and it is her go to place,
Yeah.
and she always wanted her own puja room. And